we have to find DFA for the given regular expression. What is the first step? First step is we have to find the regular expression, but here that is given. Second step, we have to draw the NFA. So here we have drawn the NFA. This is a NFA for A plus B, the whole closure A and B, plus sign, that is a parallel path, closure, backward arrow, forward arrow. Now A is A. Now dot, we have to connect in the series. So A epsilon and the A plus B, the whole closure. Now give the suitable name. We had given a name is Q0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. Now convert the NFA to DFA by using epsilon closure. So here Q0 is X, epsilon closure Q0 we have to find out. So Q0 and epsilon is not going to anything. This will become Y. Y on A. Y on A, where it is going? It is going to Q1. Y on B, whether the Q0 is going on B? No, Q0 is not going to anywhere with input symbol B. Now this will become, Q1 will become the reachable state. So we have to consider here. Now this is a Q1. Now we have to find the epsilon closure of Q1. So epsilon closure Q1 will be added itself. Now Q1 with epsilon goes to Q2. With Q2, epsilon goes to Q3. From Q3 goes to Q4. From Q3 also goes to Q6. From Q2 also goes to Q9. So this is the epsilon closure of Q1. As we containing Q9, which is the final state, Q1 will be marked as the final state. This will become Y. Now Y on A we have to determine. So Q1 on A nothing, Q2 on A nothing, Q3 on A nothing, Q4 on A is going to Q5. So Q4 on A goes to Q5. So here we have to write Q5. Now Q6 on A nothing. Again, this is Y. We have to find Y on B. So Y, Q1 on B nothing, Q2 on B nothing, Q3 on B nothing, Q4 on B nothing, Q6, here Q6 on B is going to Q7, so it is Q7. So we got two reachable state, Q5 and Q7, that we have to consider. So we had considered Q5 here, we had considered Q7 here. Here while finding the epsilon closure of Q5, we got Q9 as the final state, so that will mark as the final state. Q7 also containing the final state, so that will be also mark as the final state. Now what will be the next step? Anything else that is not reachable or that we have not considered, in all the arrows we found Q5 and Q7, that we have already considered here. What will be the next step? The next step is we are going to rename. So here I rename Q0 with A, Q1 with B, Q5 with C, Q7 with D. Now everywhere we are getting the numbers, we are getting the state name, that will be replaced by B, C, 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 like that. Q5 with C, Q7 with D, Q1 with B. What is the next step? We have to delete this epsilon closure and we have to rewrite the table. So here we have rewritten the table. After rewriting the table, we got C and D, that are two duplicate arrows, two duplicate rows. So that means D will be replaced by C. Whenever we have D, we have replaced by C. Now after that we have CC and CC. Here also we are having D. So this C and C duplicate rows. So this C will be replaced by B. So wherever we have C, that is replaced by B. So any other duplication, nothing. So after rewriting the table, we got this table, that is a table for DFA. Again check whether we can minimize it. We cannot further minimize it. So this will be the final table for DFA. From this DFA we have drawn the corresponding DFA. So this is how we had converted the given regular expression into DFA.